Okay. What do you think of the Academy?
My name is Rich Alleman. I've been a fitness buff all my life, on and off. I've always had doubt, just like the next person, about certain certifications, how to prepare yourself, and how to actually put yourself out in front of people in reference to being a personal trainer. Here at Propta, it's pretty much power and knowledge, because they have the knowledge and also the quality here is amazing. In reference to what you learn here, they give you the right tools to study. The seminars are phenomenal. Joe, Mike, and all the other Propta staff have been great because they explain the most scientific, complicated terms and ways of how the body functions and how we should perform exercises in simple layman terms so that we can understand it. So everybody's courteous here. I've learned a lot. All my team or colleagues could probably say the same. So I'm pretty much probably reiterating what you've heard and seen other people say about this Propta certification training. I thank you, and that's about it.
Thank you.